As per the revised plan announced in Budget 2025-26, what is the extended deadline for achieving 100% rural tap water connections under the Jal Jeevan Mission? Option A, 2027. Option B, 2028. Option C, 2029. Option D, 2030. Correct answer. Option B, 2028. Which Indian state was the first to implement a reservation policy for the transgender community in all government services? Option A, Kerala. Option B, Bihar. Option C, Uttar Pradesh. Option D, Karnataka. Correct answer. Option D, Karnataka. Which organization is responsible for publishing the National Health Profile annually? Option A, Central Bureau of Health Intelligence. Option B, Indian Medical Association. Option C, Indian Council of Medical Research. Option D, National Health Mission. Correct answer. Option A, Central Bureau of Health Intelligence. Who coined the phrase unity in diversity to describe India? Option A, Mahatma Gandhi. Option B, B.R. Ambedkar. Option C, Rabindranath Tagore. Option D, Jawaharlal Nehru. Correct answer. Option D, Jawaharlal Nehru. Which of the following is the largest tiger reserve in India? Option A, Jim Corbett Tiger Reserve. Option B, Nagarjunsagar Srisailam Tiger Reserve. Option C, Amrabad Tiger Reserve. Option D, Ranthambore Tiger Reserve. Correct answer. Option B, Nagarjunsagar Srisailam Tiger Reserve. Which international regional organization was featured as the partner group of nations at the 38th Surajkund International Crafts Mela 2025? Option A, BIMSTEC. Option B, SAARC. Option C, ASEAN. Option D, BRICS. Correct answer. Option A, BIMSTEC. The three-dimensional double helix structure of DNA was correctly discovered by Option A, Frederick Sanger and Paul Berg. Option B, Rosalind Franklin and Maurice Wilkins. Option C, James Watson and Francis Crick. Option D, Erwin Chargaff and Martha Chase. Correct answer. Option C, James Watson and Francis Crick. The Indian National Highway System was introduced during which five-year plan? Option A, Third Five-Year Plan. Option B, Fourth Five-Year Plan. Option C, Fifth Five-Year Plan. Option D, Sixth Five-Year Plan. Correct answer. Option C, Fifth Five-Year Plan. Danu Jatra, the world's largest open-air theatre festival, is celebrated annually in which Indian state? Option A, West Bengal. Option B, Odisha. Option C, Assam. Option D, Tamil Nadu. Correct answer. Option B, Odisha. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with the administration and autonomy of tribal areas in Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, and Mizoram? Option A, 5th schedule. Option B, 6th schedule. Option C, 7th schedule. Option D, 8th schedule. Correct answer. Option B, 6th schedule. Who won his maiden BWF World Tour title at the 2025 US Open Badminton Tournament? Option A, Brian Yang. Option B, Lakshya Sen. Option C, Cho Tien Chen. Option D, Ayush Shetty. Correct answer. Option D, Ayush Shetty. Fort William, the headquarters of the Indian Army's Eastern Command in Kolkata, has been renamed as Option A, Vijay Durg. Option B, Shivaji Fort. Option C, Azadgarh. Option D, Chandamandir. Correct answer. Option A, Vijay Durg. Which acid is found in vinegar? Option A, citric acid. Option B, hydrochloric acid. Option C, acetic acid. Option D, sulfuric acid. Correct answer. Option C, acetic acid. Which Indian city hosted the 15th edition of Aero India 2025, Asia's largest aerospace and defense exhibition? Option A, Delhi. Option B, Hyderabad. Option C, Mumbai. Option D, Bengaluru. Correct answer. Option D, Bengaluru. The historic Battle of Haldigati was fought between which two kings? Option A, Alauddin Khilji and Rawal Ratan Singh. Option B, Babur and Ibrahim Lodi. Option C, Akbar and Maharana Pratap. Option D, Aurangzeb and Shivaji. Correct answer. Option C, Akbar and Maharana Pratap. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the establishment and constitution of the Supreme Court of India? Option A, Article 124. Option B, Article 126. Option C, Article 128. Option D, Article 131. Correct answer. Option A, Article 124. The Bodo language, one of India's 22 scheduled languages, is mainly spoken in which state? Option A, Assam. Option B, Manipur. Option C, Mizoram. Option D, Sikkim. Correct answer. Option A, Assam. Which legendary Indian cricketer received the Colonel C.K. Naidu Lifetime Achievement Award at the BCCI Naman Awards 2025? Option A, Kapil Dev. Option B, Sachin Tendulkar. Option C, M.S. Dhoni. Option D, Sourav Ganguly. Correct answer. Option B, Sachin Tendulkar. Where is the Janjatia Sanskritic Samagam 2025, a cultural gathering celebrating tribal heritage, being organized? Option A, Kedarnath. Option B, Varanasi. Option C, Prayagraj. Option D, Ayodhya. Correct answer. Option C, Prayagraj. Who is the author of Diamond in My Palm, a book about famous diamonds lost from India? Option A, Jhumpa Lahiri. Option B, Amish Tripathi. Option C, Sanjay Darwadkar. Option D, Devdutt Patanayak. Correct answer. Option C, Sanjay Darwadkar. Which Indian state is set to establish the country's first government-led, artificial intelligence university? Option A, Karnataka. Option B, Gujarat. Option C, Andhra Pradesh. Option D, Maharashtra. Correct answer. Option D, Maharashtra. Which technology does FASTag primarily use to automatically deduct toll fees as vehicles pass through toll plazas? Option A, radio frequency identification. Option B, barcode scanning. Option C, optical character recognition. Option D, near-field communication. Correct answer. Option A, radio frequency identification. Which country recently achieved a scientific milestone by creating the first kangaroo embryos, using in vitro fertilization? Option A, South Africa. Option B, China. Option C, Papua New Guinea. Option D, Australia. Correct answer. Option D, Australia. Which of the following is another name for vitamin A? Option A, biotin. Option B, folate. Option C, retinol. Option D, cobalamin. Correct answer. Option C, retinol. The NSDC International Academy, established recently to prepare Indian youth for global careers, is located in which of the following cities? Option A, Pune. Option B, Greater Noida. Option C, Vadodara. Option D, Raipur. Correct answer. Option B, Greater Noida.